Hi everyone, welcome to Blooming Minds. Today we are going to learn MCQs of chapter 4th, class 12th history. These are very important. To learn this, you all have to stay with me till the end of this video. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with question first. Sanchi Stupa is situated. Options are near to Bhopal, near to Indore, near to Delhi, near to Agra. अगर आपको आंसर पता है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में आंसर दें. Right answer is option A, near to Bhopal. Sanchi Stupa is situated near to Bhopal. Second question. Which of these was not the Begum of Bhopal? Options are Shah Jahan Begum, Sultan Jahan Begum, Noor Jahan Begum, A and B both. Give answer in comment section. So right answer is Noor Jahan Begum. Next question. Question third. 24 great teachers of Jainism are known as dash. Options are Tirthankars, Jataks, Jinas, Vardhmans. Hope you know this answer. So right answer is option A, Tirthankars. 24 great teachers of Jainism are known as Tirthankars. Question number 4. Dash is the birthplace of Gautam Buddha. Options are Kalinga, Sarnath, Lumbini, Kushinagar. जल्दी से आंसर दें. So right answer is option C, Lumbini. Lumbini is the birthplace of Gautam Buddha. Next question. Question number 5th. At which place Lord Buddha attained true enlightenment? Options are Lumbini, Kushinagar, Sarnath, Bodh Gaya. जल्दी से आंसर दें. Right answer is option D, Bodh Gaya. Lord Buddha attained true enlightenment at Bodh Gaya. Question number 6. New tradition of Buddhism was called as dash. Options are Shwetambar, Digambar, Hinayana, Mahayana. Hope you know this answer. So right answer is option D, Mahayana. Next question. Question number 7th. The most splendid stupa was at dash. Options are Amravati, Sanchi, Bhumra, Shaji Dheri. Amravati, Sanchi, Bhumra, Shaji Dheri. So right answer is option A, Amravati. The most splendid stupa was at Amravati. Question number 8. What is the meaning of 3 baskets? Meaning of 3 baskets. Options are तीर्थांकरा, त्रिरत्न, त्रिपिटका, त्रिशूला। जल्दी से आंसर दें। So right answer is option C, Tripitaka. 3 baskets means Tripitaka. Question number 9. Choose the correct option. देखिए ऑप्शन कौन कौन से हैं। सांची स्तूपा सिचुएटेड नियर टू भोपाल, ये सही है। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, सांची स्तूपा वॉज प्रिजर्व्ड बाय द बेगम्स ऑफ भोपाल, ये भी सही है। सांची स्तूपा बिलोंग टू बुद्धिज्म, ये भी सही है, बुद्धिज्म से बिलोंग करता था। तो इसके अकॉर्डिंग जो राइट आंसर है वो क्या आ जाएगा, ऑल ऑफ दीज। ऑप्शन डी, ऑल ऑफ दीज। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10th. Consider the following statements. Jainism was started by ऋषभदेव, तो ये सही है। जैन धर्म ऋषभदेव ने, ये फर्स्ट तीर्थंकर थे। सेकंड पॉइंट, लॉर्ड महावीरा वॉज 24th तीर्थंकर ऑफ जैनिज्म, ये भी सही है। लॉर्ड महावीरा 24th तीर्थंकर थे। टीचिंग्स ऑफ जैनिज्म आर गिवन इन अंगार, ये भी सही है। फोर्थ पॉइंट, जैनिज्म स्टार्टेड संघास टू स्प्रेड इट्स मैसेज, यहां स्प्रेड है, स्प्रेड इट्स मैसेज, तो ये रॉन्ग है। मॉन्क्स और नन थे जो इस मैसेज को स्प्रेड करते थे। सो इसके अकॉर्डिंग आंसर क्या आ जाएगा, हमारे पॉइंट्स क्या क्या सही है, फर्स्ट, सेकंड एंड थर्ड। सो राइट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी, फर्स्ट, सेकंड एंड थर्ड। क्वेश्चन 11th. What was the name of Gana to which Buddha belonged to? Options are Lichavi, Sakya, Kolyas, Kamboj. Give answer in comment section. So right answer is option B, Sakya. Next question. The Sangh was an association of whom? Options are bhikkhus, merchants, traders, dancers. So right answer is option A, bhikkhus. Sangh was an association of bhikkhus. Next question. Question number 13th. Dash is the birthplace of Gautam Buddha. Birthplace of Gautam Buddha. Options are Kalinga, Sarnath, Lumbini. So right answer is option C, Lumbini. Lumbini is the birthplace of Gautam Buddha. Question number 14. What does the symbol of empty seat symbolize? Empty seat symbolize. Options are first sermon of the Buddha, an event in the life of Buddha, wisdom of the Buddha, meditation of the Buddha. Give answer fast. So right answer is option D, meditation of the Buddha. Next question. Question number 15. What was the balcony-like structure in a stupa called? Balcony-like structure in a stupa called. Options are Anda, Hermika, Yashti. So right answer is option B, Hermika. Balcony-like structure in a stupa was called Hermika. Question number 16. Which of the following is the most important idea in Jainism? Most important idea in Jainism. Options are observing celibacy. Entire word is animated. Belief in non-violence. Asceticism and penance are required to free oneself from the cycle of karma. जल्दी से आंसर दें. So right answer is option B. Entire word is animated. Okay. Next, question number 17th. Who provided money for the preservation of the Sanchi Stupa? Options are John Marshall, Begums of Bhopal, Alexander Cunningham, none of the above. So right answer is option B, Begums of Bhopal. Begums of Bhopal provided money for the preservation of Sanchi Stupa. Question number 18th. Match the following. आप भी साथ साथ में मैच कीजिए. लुम्बिनी. लुम्बिनी को किसके साथ मैच करेंगे? C. Buddha was born. Next, कुशीनगर. कुशीनगर को किसके साथ मैच करेंगे? बुद्धा अटेन्ड निbbana. सारनाथ. Buddha delivered her first sermon. बोध गया. बुद्धा अटेन्ड एनलाइटनमेंट. ओके, तो क्या आ जाएगा? फर्स्ट का C, सेकंड का A, थर्ड का B, फोर्थ का D. So next question answers. Question first. Name the Begum of Bhopal who provided mainly for the preservation of Sanchi Stupa. यहाँ मेनली नहीं है, मनी है. ओके, स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक है. सो आंसर देखिए. शाहजहान बेगम एंड हर सक्सेसर सुल्तान जहान बेगम. ओके, शाहजहान बेगम एंड हर सक्सेसर सुल्तान जहान बेगम provided money for the preservation of Sanchi Stupa. Question second. Which thinkers emerged in the world during the mid-first millennium BCE? During the mid-first millennium BCE. So answer is Zarathustra in Iran, Kongzi in China, Socrates, Plato and Aristotle in Greece, and Mahavira and Gautam Buddha in India. ओके, तो ये आपने लर्न करने हैं. ज़राथुस्ट्रा इन ईरान, कोंगजी इन चाइना, सॉक्रेट्स, प्लेटो एंड अरिस्टोटल इन ग्रीस, महावीरा एंड गौतम बुद्ध इन इंडिया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. When was Rig Veda compiled? So answer is between c. 1500 and 1000 BCE. Between c. 1500 and 1000 BCE. Question number 4. What is Rig Veda consist of? Answer is Rig Veda consists of hymns in praise of many deities such as Indra and Som. In praise of Indra and Som. Question number 5. Who performed Rajsuya and Ashwamedh sacrifices? Answer is they were performed by chiefs and kings with the help of Brahmins. They were performed by chiefs and kings with the help of Brahmins. Sixth question. What is meant by Kutagrahashala? Answer is a hut with a pointed roof. A hut with a pointed roof. Question number 7. Who questioned the authority of the Vedas? Answer is Mahavira and Buddha questioned the authority of the Vedas. Mahavira and the Buddha questioned the authority of the Vedas. Question number 8. Who started Jainism? Who started Jainism? Rishabdev was first Tirthankar and Mahavira was the 24th Tirthankar of Jainism. आप इस आंसर को लिख सकते हैं ऋषभदेव स्टार्टेड जैनिज्म. ये फर्स्ट तीर्थंकर थे. तो अगर आपसे फर्स्ट तीर्थंकर पूछे जाएं तो ऋषभदेव का नेम आएगा. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. नेम द रिलीजियस टेक्स्ट ऑफ जैनिज्म. Religious texts of Jainism. Angas are the religious text of Jainism. Angas are the religious text of Jainism. Question number 10. Where did Buddhism spread? Where did Buddhism spread? So answer is India, China, Korea, Japan, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand and Indonesia. Okay? China, India, Korea, Japan, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand and Indonesia. Question number 11. What was the name given to Buddha at the time of his birth? So answer is सिद्धार्थ. बर्थ के टाइम पे उन्हें सिद्धार्थ नाम दिया गया था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. Who was called the enlightened one? Answer is Gautam Buddha was called the enlightened one. Enlightened one means जिसे ज्ञान की प्राप्ति हुई थी. Question number 13. What is word according to the Buddhist philosophy? So answer is the word is transient and constantly changing. The word is transient and constantly changing. Question number 14. What was Sangha? Answer is Sangha was an organization of monks of Buddhism who became teachers of Dhamma. Sangha was an organization of monks of Buddhism who became teachers of Dhamma? Question number 15th. What names were given to males and females who entered Sanghas? Name given to males and females who entered Sanghas. So right answer is भिक्खुस एंड भिक्खुनीज. मेल्स को भिक्खुस कहा जाता था और वुमेन को भिक्खुनीज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. Except Sanchi, where was another stupa of Buddhism? सांची के अलावा और कहां है स्तूपा बुद्धिज्म का? सो राइट आंसर इज अमरावती. एट अमरावती. क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. Which sources are used by the historians to reconstruct the exciting world of ideas and beliefs from 600 BCE up to 600 CE? Answer is Buddhist, Jain and Brahmanical text. Large and impressive body of material remains, including monuments and inscriptions. Buddhist, Jain and Brahmanical text. Large and impressive body of material remains, including monuments and inscriptions. Question number 18. Mention any 4 social groups from which the followers of Buddha came. 4 social groups from which the followers of Buddha came. So answer is kings, wealthy men, गृहपति, humbler folk, जिनमें कौन कौन आते हैं? वर्कर्स, स्लेव्स, क्राफ्ट पीपल. कौन कौन है देखिए? किंग्स, वेल्दी मैन, गृहपति, हम्बलर फोल्क, जिसमें वर्कर्स, स्लेव्स, क्राफ्ट पीपल आते हैं. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू सॉल्व पिक्चर बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. लुक एट दिस गिवन पिक्चर. व्हाट इज डिपिक्टेड इन द स्कल्पचर? लुक दिस इमेज केयरफुली. और अगर आपको समझ में आ रहा है तो आंसर दीजिए कमेंट सेक्शन में. सो देखते हैं आंसर. इट इज अ स्कल्पचर बिलोंगिंग टू C200 CE फ्रॉम अमरावती. इट डिपिक्ट्स the departure of the Buddha from his palace. Okay, sculpture belonging to 200 CE from Amravati. और क्या डिपिक्ट है? The departure of the Buddha from his palace. Okay. Now next image. Identify and name the school of art to which this sculpture belonged to. इमेज समझ में आ गई तो आंसर दीजिए. होप यू हैव डन. सो आंसर देखिए. दिस स्कल्पचर इज ऑफ अ बुद्धिस्ट फ्रॉम गंधार स्कूल ऑफ आर्ट. This sculpture of a Bodhisattva from Gandhar School of Art. So these are very important question of chapter 4th. Learn it again and again. It will help you in board exams. If you have any doubt, any query, feel free to ask in the comment section. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ। टिल देन बाय बाय।